Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Drax Hall and we're going to give you an update on the construction of the Booth 2 Plaza or commercial center. Now on the right, that is the original Booth Plaza. It started as a gas station, and where you see those panels at the front, that's actually the gas station, the largest gas station in St. Anne. And then they opened the mall beside it, and then they expanded the mall. Where you see that orange looking building, that section was just completed and the stores are actually opening up in there. They actually have a Juicy Patties in that section, and that section coming into view on the right now, the top two floors is operated by a call center. So on the left now, where you see that backhoe or excavator, or where you see the heavy equipment, that is where they are building another commercial plaza, and they're going to call it Booth 2. And they're actually going to use an overhead bridge to connect both sides. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the new section that they're building. And as you know, Drax Hall is the fastest growing area in Jamaica. Every fast food chain, retail outlet, they want a location in Drax Hall. And surprisingly, as they build these commercial complexes, they're sold out. Sometimes they're leased out before they're even open. And that speaks volumes about what's going on in Drax Hall. So we're going to go through an article about Booth 2. The construction of the Booth 2 commercial complex in Drax Hall marks another milestone in the transformation of St. Anne's northern coastal corridor into one of Jamaica's fastest growing urban and commercial zones. What was once a quiet stretch between Ocherias and Runaway Bay has rapidly evolved into a major center of residential, housing, retail services, logistics, and hospitality. Booth 2 stands at the center of this growth, expanding on the success of the original Booth complex by creating a larger, more modern space aimed at supporting both local residents and the increasing volume of commercial activity along the highway. Booth 2 is planned as a 4-story mixed-use commercial facility featuring retail stores, office spaces, restaurants, entertainment venues, and a supermarket, along with underground parking. By introducing multiple services within a single complex, the development reflects a new approach to regional planning in Jamaica. Rather than people having to travel to Kingston or Montego Bay for business, dining, or administrative needs, towns like Drax Hall are being positioned to meet these demands locally. This supports more balanced national development and reduces the kind of concentrated urban pressure that has traditionally strained larger cities. An important feature of Booth 2 is the proposed pedestrian bridge linking it directly to the existing Booth 1 complex. This connection represents more than convenience. It symbolizes a deliberate effort to create a walkable commercial district rather than a disconnected set of plazas separated by busy roadways. It also acknowledges the reality of increased vehicle traffic in the Drax Hall area. As more housing developments such as Drax Hall Country Club, Fern Court, Heartlands, and Real Village continue to expand, the highway corridor has become heavily trafficked. The bridge and the associated roadway improvements planned around Booth 2 are therefore essential to managing pedestrian safety and improving overall mobility. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.